Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to change camera storage on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to your camera application. Okay guys, here in camera application, you'll have to do is go to gear icon on the upper left side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. And camera settings, you can see the storage location. And the storage location is set into SD card. And okay guys, to change it, the storage location, okay, you'll have to do is tap the storage location. And you can change into internal storage. To change it, okay, tap the internal storage, and that's it. We have successfully changed into internal storage. Okay, you can change it again to SD card by tap the storage location and select or tap the SD card, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed camera storage on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.